Hello, this is Chris in Texas from Mann Lake in Marshall, Texas, and I'm here with you for the Beekeeper Buzz for the South for April. Thank you for checking in with us today. Let's talk about some feeders. You might not think about feeders this time when bloom is going on. We have the wildflowers, blackberries, everything else is coming into bloom, but it's also time for packages and nukes. And when you're putting a package and nuke in, a lot of times it's helpful to go ahead and give them some feed to help them get started. Also, this is the bloom. We all know that the dearth is not far behind, and it's something to think about in advance. We're going to be showing off the Pro Feeder, also known as a frame replacement feeder. First thing you're going to do to install it is open your hive. Always open your lid away from you. Remove your inner cover. And the 1 gallon Pro Feeder will replace 1 frame, while the 1.5 gallon and 2 gallon will replace 2. We'll get to those in just a moment. You'll want to put it on one of your outside frames. So you just remove your frame and then and you might need to manipulate your frames just a little bit to get it in. The 1 gallon is going to get a nice snug fit. And one of the easiest ways I've found to fill it, you just go in and remove one of the ladders and use a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, well, we've all probably made one from one time or another, just out of a piece of paper. You'll fill in with either your sugar water or your syrup or Pro Sweet. Fill it in, take it out, reinsert your ladder, and you're good to go. Now, as I said, your 1 gallon feeder will take up 1 frame, and your 1.5 gallon or 2 gallon will take up 2. And there's actually still plenty of room, the 2 frames for the 1.5 gallon to spread out a little bit. If you're wanting to run this in a super and have your frame spread out a little bit more for larger comb for your honey, or if you just want to give your bees a little bit more extra room. Now, placing a 2 gallon feeder in here will pretty much make it snug like the 1 gallon will with 1 frame out. Thank you for watching this Beekeeper's Buzz. Stay tuned for the ones coming up in May, and happy honey.